afternoon, internet, YouTube, whatever I put this on. Today, we are going to troubleshoot and or fix a out taillight for the tractor. So I'm going to show you how to diagnose and figure out where your problem comes from and then how to fix it. That being said, let's get to it so I can show you how to do it. First, we're going to start off turning the truck on. I turned my lights on and I have my, I don't know if you'd see it, my right blinker is on. So let's go outside and take a look. So we look, on, off. It's not working for turn signals, brake lights, or running lights. Before it was running for turn lights and brake lights, but not running. So now we troubleshoot. So we start off here, have our wiring harness, got my test light, and what I'm gonna do to start is this nice and sharp. I'm gonna go along my wiring harness, and I've got my right turn signal on, so this should light up for power as well as turn signal. It'll blink with the turn signal. No power, no power, no power. Oh, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but we have our blink. So 1, 2, 3, 4th wire, it says G is our right turn signal. Let's see, 5th one, nothing. 6th one, power. Okay, so now what we need to do, now that we know it's the 4th wire on this side, which is this one right here, we need to chase all of these wires that go to my out light and see if there's, I'm guessing there's a corroded wire. Let's go ahead and take this off, that way I don't have to climb up under. So we got our stuff set up. Got a 15/16 socket. Tried to get on it with a ratchet. It's on there pretty good, so we're gonna have to give it some juice. And then we'll go from there. What you will need for this repair is some wire crimpers, some pliers, impact, screwdriver, some butt connectors, heat gun, etc. I broke this one loose, jumped the gun, sorry. Boom. One off. Do the same thing to the other side, be back. Little disclaimer too, don't procrastinate doing this shit either, because I did, and guess what? I knew that was dead for a little while. And I procrastinated on it, and I got a level 2 inspection in Arizona yesterday, and that was my only violation out of the whole thing. So I get to be embarrassed, I get to have that added to my MVR, and when I could have fixed it. Don't procrastinate. Okay. Okay, so we got it off. It's funny, this light isn't even connected. That's good too. Can't believe I never fucking noticed that. Okay, so we have our main wiring harness, and it goes branches, comes around to right here. So we're gonna cut all of this shit off and find our problem. Snip, snip. Gonna take these off. These are holding these clamps on. And then I'm gonna take all 4 of these off because I have different tail lights that I want to put on for them. So I'm gonna get to snipping and stripping. Ooh, ooh. And I will turn the camera back on once I get it situated. All right, so we got this bad boy taken apart. This is our problem one. This first section is good because I did this a couple weeks ago, and I got all of our tubing off and everything, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look down the line. And what do we see here? Hopefully that's in focus. Yep, that's one. And then we continue to follow. And there's more. Take a look at that, huh? So we're gonna cut this, splice it. Cut this, splice it, put it all back together and test it out. Nice and corroded here still. Let's cut a little further. Okay, we're good. Okay. Strip them. Splice. Bam. So I've got these soldering butt connectors that have been really, really nice thus far. All right, that is melted on. Ow. Let's do the other one. Where is it? Got it. Okay. Got my new snappy wire crimpers. They're fucking awesome. Cool. They're so fast. Look at that. Just like that. So easy. So easy. Let's cut some more. Boom. Okay. Ah. Okay. That's on there really well. We'll let this one cool off. Then we're gonna plug it in. Make sure. God damn it. There's more. Okay, so I got my hazards on. We got lights now, but I tried to cut corners and I didn't open up that first set of tubing right there where that wire goes to, and I can probably bet that there's some kind of fray in there. So unplug, get back to it. So first and foremost, this is pretty cool. I never knew this was here. This is an auxiliary plug, pre-wired. It's got a little cap, you pull that off and it's got a little plug, one of the single plugs. But I took the zip tie off and looky what I found. I can't tell if it's fucking focused or not. That's totally disconnected and corroded. Let's take this off and fix this bitch. I need to, I should really rerun all these wires. fungal. Boom, baby. Got her fixed up. So it was that 4th wire. So we got all of our wire stuff done. And now I am going to secure it all back down, put some new tube on it and electrical tape, and I'm done. So that's it. I'm also going to put some new taillights on it, the infinity ones with the little circle, brighter LED ones. I'll probably make a separate video for that though. So, thanks for watching. If you liked my content, please like, subscribe, and follow for more. That's what everyone says, right? So that's it. That's all you gotta do. Chase the wires. Fix the corrosion and the exposure on it. That's it. As always, drive safe, have a nice fucking day, and